Propagation speed is a super important and unique variable of a wave for two main reasons. Firstly, it's not actually a variable. It's a constant, a single value that does not change for our wave of interest. Also, it's multidimensional as it's dependent on and described by both distance and time. It's speed after all. The individual points along a wave oscillate up and down. Overall, however, the wave propagates or travels forward left to right, and it does so at a constant speed. Likewise, speed is distance over time. Our wave travels a certain distance, that's why we have distance in the x-axis, over a certain amount of time. Since we're dealing with light, our propagation speed is by definition the speed of light, 2.998 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. The snapshot model of a wave is a great way to understand propagation speed. Here, we show how over time, these are evenly spaced out time markers, our wave travels forward from here all the way to here. As a reminder, as this propagation occurs, any one individual point merely oscillates up and down. If from time 1 to time 8 we've progressed this much, we can relate the distance traveled in that amount of time to the fact that this happened in a particular amount of time, the difference between time 8 and time 1. A key definition we need to know is average speed, and it's equal to the change in distance divided by the change in time. The great news is that because light has a constant speed, the average speed is the speed of light at any given instance, and that's always going to be equal to 2.98 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Let's say, for instance, that the time it took for the wave to propagate this distance is 17.5 seconds. These two numbers, by definition, must divide to 2.998 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Thus, in traveling this distance and time, it did it at the same speed. So did you learn the following? 1. A wave moves and travels via multiple dimensions, specifically time and distance. 2. The propagation or forward traveling of the wave has a constant speed of 2.998 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Also, the snapshot model helps marry points 1 and 2 together.